Hello, my name is Adam Lynch. I am a senior product manager at PTV Group. And for the last year, I've been working on managing our newest product, PTV Hub, which was officially released at the end of October 2024. And today I have the pleasure of introducing PTV Hub to you in this Umivity deep dive session. Let's begin with introducing our new cloud-based collaboration platform, PTV Hub. In this session, you will discover what PTV Hub is, who is it for, and why is it important to you. Also, we'll unveil PTV Hub features and see them in action. Then, we'll become familiar with onboarding and available offerings. Lastly, we'll explore the available PTV Hub resources. Before we begin, don't forget to ask questions or provide comments directly in the comment feed. My colleagues or I will respond directly or reach out to you after the presentation. And finally, if you love what you see, and I hope you do, don't hesitate to contact your sales representatives directly or get in touch with us using our contact form found at ptvgroup.com on our product page, PTV Hub. Now, let's jump in. What is PTV Hub? PTV Hub is a cloud-based platform integrating online tools with desktop licenses for PTV, vSoom, vSim, VisWalk, and vStro. It simplifies license management, project organization, model revisions, tracking, cloud-based scenario simulations, results, and the creation of interactive dashboards for sharing insights. Importantly, with a single PTV Hub subscription, users can easily access, share content, models, results, all across their organization. Let's review our introduction video that summarizes PTV Hub. This video is available on our PTV Mobility YouTube channel.
PTV Hub is your all-in-one cloud-based solution that integrates powerful online functionality with cloud-enabled desktop licenses of PTV vSoom, vSim, VisWalk, and vStro. Efficiently manage your desktop licenses, easily organize projects, share models and results, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Track model revisions, simulate parallel scenarios using the cloud, and create interactive dashboards to share your insights. Simplify your workflow and boost productivity with PTV Hub. PTV Hub enables anyone in your organization to access your subscription content and PTV desktop licenses. Connect, share models, results, and dashboards, and collaborate directly with your team, external stakeholders, and the public. Best of all, PTV Hub combines all this functionality into one convenient subscription and billing package. Merge your favorite PTV transport planning and traffic engineering software and the power of the cloud into one seamless platform. We're excited that you are interested in PTV Hub. Learn more about PTV Hub's magnificent functionality next.
Now that we've learned a little bit about PTV Hub, let's explain why PTV Hub is important to you. Common customer feedback regarding our desktop products are addressed by PTV Hub and the power of the cloud. 1. Customers often state that it was difficult to share results and collaborate on large models with reviewers. Most of you have been involved in model setup, quality reviews, and need to provide or receive access to models and results. Or you tried to share complicated results with the public in meetings. 2. Customers need better ways to set up and manage licenses for their teams. Of course, as teams grow, it may be challenging for IT to manage those licenses. And 3, lastly, customers with larger models said it took too long to run their models and meet their deadlines. And maybe you've all been this last person in the office, staying late, waiting for those models to run. It's not fun. But with PTV Hub, IT can finally manage those desktop licenses efficiently. Modelers can organize projects and share models and results, boosting their collaboration. You can manage models and results as well as running computations on the cloud to increase your production. You can also create shareable dashboards to help communication with the public and stakeholders. We previously identified several personas that benefit from PTV Hub within an organization, but it is important to point out that a PTV Hub subscription can be used for an entire organization. And this organization consists of modelers, reviewers, and stakeholders to collaborate on the models and results and perform cloud simulations. Next, we also have decision makers needing quick access to content and interactive project information. And public users engage with shared dashboards to better understand community planning. And let's not forget IT administrators who wish to simplify license management and reduce IT workloads and infrastructure with cloud features. Now, let's summarize the release functionality of PTV Hub that is available or coming very soon. First, the License app in PTV Hub centralizes and manages your PTV vSUM, VISM, BizWalk, and vStore licenses. Next, the Workspace app, coming very soon, creates collaborative environments for project sharing and data management. Then, the Models app enables your models to securely be uploaded to the cloud and maintain version control for your vSUM, VISM, VizWalk, and vStore models. Cloud computing, part of the Models app, provides you with direct access to scalable resources to process simulations and generate your results. And finally, the Dashboards app visualizes your insights interactively so you can share essential information with team members and the public. Let's take a look at each one of these apps in PTV Hub a little bit more in detail and demo the functionality. When you open PTV Hub on the home page, these apps are displayed and organized into areas on that page. Let's take a look directly at this page in PTV Hub. There is an admin area containing management of users, licenses, and workspaces. And there is a Models and Dashboard app area that open these apps and show what's new in each app, as well as the consume resources and resources available. In addition, support, contact sales, and user roles are displayed in the area on the left. As mentioned, the License app centralizes the management of PTV desktop subscriptions. It simplifies delivery, activation, and renewal of desktop licenses. It improves the interface for users and IT to monitor license details, and administrators can manage the user access of these licenses. These functions reduce time, effort, and expertise for license setup and management and enable licenses to be shared easily with everyone within an organization. Let's show this functionality from the desktop side and how to select a PTV Hub license. First, in PTV VISM, I sign in to PTV Hub to connect my license using the login button. And now I am connected. Also, for those who may work offline, it is possible to borrow a license for 7 days to use it when you don't have internet connection. Here you go to License Manager under Help, select Licenses, and then select the PTV Hub license, then click Borrow. In the License app in PTV Hub, here we can see our license details, the number of seats, the expiration dates, as well as what users have access to these licenses within your organization. Next, the Workspace app, which is currently under development but will be releasing soon, shows a structured environment for organizing projects. It facilitates team collaboration and controls access to content via teams consisting of internal and external organizational team members. This app's goal is to simplify model and project organization to quickly find and access the content and access the dashboards for your project. Essentially, workspaces are just like tags in the backend, but they behave like content filters and function like Windows Explorer folders for your project. And since this is under development, here is a quick peek at workspaces. I have a few workspaces created for an agency, and it is very simple to create another one and add users to access this workspace. And these users are able to see the content, again, such as models and dashboards. And when I save my models from my desktop or upload the dashboard content, I can save it directly to this workspace so that only my assigned users will have access. Let's review the Models app. This app manages PTV desktop models on the cloud. It organizes the models and results securely. It tracks and maintains version control of the models and the scenarios. It also creates and manages scenarios and modifications. And it runs cloud-based computations consecutively or in parallel. Benefits of the Model app eliminate storing unmanaged models locally for your projects. Additionally, you can easily restore previous versions with just a few clicks. Also, you have full access control of your models via workspaces. Utilizing cloud computing resources frees up your desktop licenses while processing models in the cloud. Offload your heavy computations, which may allow you to keep your small laptops, and reduce those computers that you might have in the corner of your office to run those big models. Let's look at the Models app in action. First, we'll look at uploading models to the cloud for the first time. Here I've created this model. I simply go to File, Save Cloud Models As, and a dialog pops up to give it a name, a description, and select a workspace. Also, there is a local working directory for the model. Once I click OK, the model is saved, and it uploads to the cloud. Each time I change the model, I can go back to save and save the revision. Now after saving, a revision box pops up. Here I can enter optional revision notes to describe my changes. In PTV Hub models, I can now see this newly saved model in revision. Additionally, scenarios and modifications can be created or added from here or also in the desktop. And this provides you full control of where you would like to add these elements. Also, if I don't like this recent change, I can undo my revision and restore my model to a previous state. Once a model is uploaded to the Models app, cloud computations can be performed. Here you can select scenarios and modifications to perform a calculation. Then select if you would like the calculation to run concurrently or in parallel. After running the calculation, you receive a status message or an error log to review the success of the calculation. These results are then saved as part of a revision. And finally, let's discuss the Dashboards app in more depth. This app summarizes project insights and analytics from VSUM and VISUM results. It creates customizable maps, animation, charts, and tables. It also documents reviews with team comments. It compares scenarios and calculates scenario differences, and it shares interactive dashboards with teams and with the public. What's great about this app is that it helps you easily build dashboards and project figures with a process that is 100% integrated with your VSUM and VISUM modeling workflows. And With this workflow, drill down to data with scenarios or sub-attribute filter controllers. With dashboards, view animations on side-by-side maps, track comments across all team members, reviewers, and stakeholders, and provide easy access to your model's data via team and public links without having to install readers or different views or post-process handouts or even create extra PowerPoints. Jumping into the dashboard app, I want to show our latest dashboard functionality for PTV Visum. Here we can easily upload our result data to dashboards. After running the simulation, either with cloud calculations or via the desktop, simply go to File, Export, and then select the dashboard's export. This opens a dialog to select your aggregates and prepare the data for the dashboard. We're going to select the time from 1800 seconds to 5400 seconds, as I had a long warm-up period and I want to trim out some of the parts that don't matter. Then I'll select all 5 sim runs and the average aggregate to upload for the data. After a few minutes, our data is now in the dashboard app. I can create a new dashboard and save it as Visum Dashboard. Then I create that classic Visum view with our new Visum Viewer widget. Select perhaps my link speed to show on segments, and I can configure the colors based on bins. Or I can also select it by links or lanes, depending on what data I prepared for my segment. Now I have a map, and I want to add an animation from the trajectories that I recorded from my simulation. And I also want to produce a chart showing my travel time profile for my model. And now, since I have selected a current value, I get this sub-attribute controller that I can use to navigate my time intervals and my simrun dimensions. You can do this all on one single dashboard. If I want to share this dashboard, I can click on Share Publicly and then copy that link. And you can see it's pretty easy. Now I can take that link and paste it directly into LinkedIn or maybe into a Teams chat or directly onto an external web page for my public meeting. Okay, let's shift gears and discuss your onboarding journey through PTV Hub. First, when you contact your sales rep and order your first PTV Hub desktop subscription, you get the PTV Hub cloud functionality free for 1 year. This free functionality enables your organization to get started with PTV Hub and use your new desktop license. Next, when you're ready, jump into a custom plan. Here you can increase your model storage, cloud computation time, and the number of dashboards, and develop a plan that's right for your organization. And finally, of course, grow as you go. When you need more resources such as storage, dashboards, just contact sales and we'll upgrade your package for your subscription. At the end of your subscription term, there will be one consolidated bill showing your desktop licenses and your cloud plan with any upgrades. The entry plan, as I just mentioned, is free for the first year. This is good for testing functionality or just getting started with PTV Hub. Some users, mainly modeling in Vistro or creating some Visum models every once in a while, may just stick with this plan. Or this plan may be suitable for even small organizations. However you use it, this plan starts out with 10 gigabytes of storage, 5 hours per month of calculation, and 10 dashboards with 5 public links. When moving to the custom plan, this is an automatic jump in resources when selected. Here, we have 200 gigabytes of storage, 10 hours of calculation time per month, and 20 dashboards with 20 public links. This plan is the base level for those that need more than the entry plan, and is also that springboard to upscale from. And here, most regular Visum and Visum users can find the custom plan to be a very good starting point. And finally, upscale packages. Upscale packages can be added to the custom plan only. And these upscale packages are very flexible to create a unique solution that fits your budget and your needs. The upgrade increments come in preset bundles of 100 gigabytes of storage, 10 hours per month in computation, and 20 dashboard packages. So really, you just need to figure out what do you need, and we can accommodate you. Lastly, let's discuss the resources available to you so you can learn about PTV Hub on your own. First, we have a new product webpage found at ptvgroup.com. From this page, navigate to Products and then find PTV Hub. Next, we have our Umovity Mobility Tech Update site found at umovity.com. Here, you can navigate to the PTV Hub section. And lastly, all introductory videos to date are on our PTV Mobility YouTube channel under the playlist PTV Hub. And of course, we'll be adding more of these videos as we progress. I would like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to learn about PTV Hub and seeing all of the exciting functionality that we've packed into our initial product release. We are proud to deliver this transformative tool for transportation modeling, collaboration, and presentation. And it is all in one seamless, user-friendly cloud platform. We were first to the market in this area for transportation professionals. And I would like to end the session on this question. Are you ready to enhance your workflow with PTV Hub? Let us know in the comments.